SCHEDGE is the smarter way to replace your windshield wipers. In my 17 years in the auto industry, I can't understand why it's so difficult to replace windshield wipers. Even rocket scientists can't figure out which wipers to buy for their car. I mean, look at this. There are 5 clips here, each with its own complicated set of instructions. No wonder people end up paying too much to have a professional do it. And to make matters worse, when it's time for new blades, the old ones go straight into a landfill. Introducing SCHEDGE Wiper Blade Subscription Service. Our blades simplify everything and are manufactured to match recommendations for your car. It couldn't be simpler, and here's how. After your initial one-time blade installation, just remove the old refill and attach the new one. That's literally it. No more fumbling around with multiple parts and confusing instructions. Now that's a solid improvement, and SCHEDGE takes things a step further.
We even have a refill that adds water repellent to your windshield, helping water bead better and wipe away more easily. Increase your visibility in bad weather and save money at the same time.
By now, I'm sure you're getting it. It's so simple, a child can do it. Don't believe us? Let's just show you. If our small child can do it, so can you. By now, through your amazement, I'm sure you're wondering, are there any downsides? No, there are not.
And when it's time to replace your blades, you don't have to buy a whole new one. With your subscription, you get rubber refills sent to you when you need them. Our blades are comparably priced to the top 2 brands on the market, but our refill program will cost as low as $3 per blade to replace. That's a savings of 80 to 90% on every replacement. We also offer a lifetime warranty on our frames and a 6-month warranty on our refills.
If you need one last reason to choose SCHEDGE, we donate money from every sale to water-related disaster relief efforts. The water may take, but SCHEDGE gives back.
SCHEDGE Wiper Blades. Stop replacing, start refilling.